Hi, it's Luan from Tech, and as I promised before, here is the high adjustable chair that can go with a high adjustable desk. And for those who don't know about the table, you have the link right here. This is a very easy to build high adjustable set that you can make for your kids or with them. They will love it. Moreover, you don't need professional tools for this kind of project because I build them with meter saw and reels which everyone has at home. I include all of the plans and cuts in the description of this video. This time I also added the Fusion 365 for those who want to modify the design. For example, you can change the size of the seat or the size of the back support. And for those who really want to know how to design this project in Fusion 360, I have a video for you right here. So I hope you and your kids like the design, and let me know right below if you have any questions or comments. I will try my best to help, and don't forget to subscribe for my channel for the next coming projects. Happy making! This is how the frame look like with two of the horizontal bar, one long bar and one short bar here. This is 16 inches, 27 inches and 10 inches. What we can do now is drilling the holes along them so that we can adjust the seat along the height of the chair. Pay attention to make the holes straight, otherwise it's very hard for you to assemble them later, which I have problem with my table, but I could fix it. About the table, you can see the link is up here. So the first thing to do is mark a line for them. For example, for the line that you want to use along this one, so we can use this is very simple tool. They call is the marking gauge. Okay, and just go because this one is 1.5 inches. So what we do is like put it at 0.75 inches and can just like this go along the thing. See, you have a line. So in this line we can mark the position of the hole that we want to cut or reel. The table, I have the problem that I couldn't reel them straight, so it's very hard to assemble the thing after. So this time I operate myself with the, they call it the reel block. So with this one clamp directly over this hole, you can get the straight hole. I got it from Canadian Tire, but I think you can easy to get it from Amazon also. After getting this block, to make sure that I get the straight hole on the first bar, I can use that at the measure for all of the other bar like this. Can clamp them all both together and reel from top to the front to the back. After you have on the hole, this is the frame short bar. We still need to reel these two holes to put them with the small bar here, with the 10-inch horizontal bar here. So what I did is I reel the hole here and I try to match them with the hole on this one. So it's gonna be like this when you put them together, and we can connect them with these screws and wood glue. When you already have the two frames of the chair ready like this, now we're gonna work on the seat. So the seat bar gonna be like this, and it's gonna move along the chair when you want to change the height of it. So in each of this seat bar, you need to reel a hole and put this kind of inserts that I already talked about it in my other video. So we just need to reel a hole in the center. For this kind of insert, I need to reel a hole from 8 to 9 millimeter right in the center, and then we can use it to adjust the height of the chair. Now we have two frames ready. So what we can do is put it in between the frame just to test. So from this side of it, gonna be like this. When you finish with the frame, you have something like this. This is the frame of the chair. And now the last step is for the seat and the back support for the chair. For the seat, instead of cut one whole piece like this, okay, it's 16 by 13 inches. I cut two pieces of the 8 inches because I have the long ball, so I can use this for the back support also, like you see here. So I get one long 8 inches ball, and I can cut two for the seat and one for the back support. So when I put them on, you're gonna see it like this. It's for the seat, and this one is for the back support. We have something like this. So because of this design, I will need to attach these two pieces together. In case you have a big pieces, you don't need to do this step, okay? Just for my case, I use this kind of ball. So I will need to attach this together. I use the Greek screw that I'm going to show you now. And for the back support too. And with each of them, with the back support, here on the edge, you will need to put the insert so that you can move it along the back like this. We have the screw for moving up and down the support according to the seat. We will have to do that so that we can move it up and down. So let's get to work and put these two pieces together. Use the same method, use this kind of insert to put in this hole. So this is the first one. Have the here. Okay. Here it is. Done.